Here we have a problem on algebra 2. That is, we have to simplify the given complex fraction. Okay, to simplify the given complex fraction, what we have to do is we have to keep this numerator 7 over x negative 8 as it is, and we have to add the two fractions in denominator. Okay, let me continue the stuff over here. So I keep the fraction 7 over x negative 8 as it is. Okay, to add the two fractions we have over here, so we have to consider the denominators. So the denominators are different, x positive 2 and x negative 8. If the denominators are numbers, we can find the least common multiple of the two denominators. But here the two denominators contain variables. So in that case, we cannot find the least common multiple. So what we need to do is we can do cross multiplication to add the two fractions over here. So cross multiplication means the numerator 6 has to be multiplied by this denominator, and this numerator 5 has to be multiplied by this denominator. So finally we have to multiply the two denominators. Okay, let me do it. 6 times x negative 8 positive 5 times x positive 2. Now I have to multiply the two denominators, that is x positive 2 times x negative 8. Okay, so now in my next step what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the fraction we have in numerator as it is, that is 7 over x negative 8. Now I'm going to change this division over here as multiplication. When I change this division as multiplication, I have to take reciprocal for the fraction in denominator. So let me change this division as multiplication over here. Now let me get the reciprocal of this fraction. Then I'm getting x positive 2 times x negative 8 over 6 times x negative 8, x negative 8 positive 5 times x positive 2. Okay, the x minus 8 and x minus 8 will cancel out. I'm getting 7 times x positive 2 over, so here we have 1 here because x minus 8 will cancel out, and we'll have 1 over here. When I multiply this 1 and this complete denominator, I'm getting 6 times x negative 8 times, positive 5 times x positive 2. Okay, now in numerator, I can distribute this 7 to x and 2. When I do so, I'm getting 7x positive 14. So in denominator, I can distribute this 6 to x and negative 8. Then I'm getting 6x negative 48. And here I can distribute this positive 5 to this x and 2. Then I'm getting positive 5x positive 10. So 7x positive 14 over. So when I combine this 6x and 5x, I'm getting 11x. When I combine this negative 48 and positive 10, I'm getting negative 38. So this is a simplification of the given complex fraction.